Hi everyone, this is Cindy with Create the Heart, and today I am back to share another project. So today's project is using my gnome stamps that I had bought for Christmas. These particular ones, I believe, came from the Polkadoodles UK website. And I think I bought these in the summer. And it was their Gnome for Christmas line. They had, I forget how many of them they had, but I bought quite a few of them because they're just so adorable. And they completely sold out. So I'm really glad that I did pick them up because I definitely will use them again for Christmas cards and for other things. In this case, I'm using them to make New Year's cards. Now, there were a couple of people that I really wanted to send a card to, and I just ran out of time. It just didn't happen. So they're close family members and then a couple of friends. So I thought maybe I would make New Year's cards instead of trying to send an old Christmas card because it's old now. It's New Year's. And so anyway, I used this stamp right here. This one's called Peace and Joy, which I thought would make a really cute New Year's card. And then this one right here, which is called Bauble Fun. So it just, I don't know what, it reminds me of like the ball dropping, I guess, which is why I decided these two would make good New Year's cards. And then I forgot that I didn't have a Happy New Year's sentiment, or the one I have is very small as far as a stamp. But my Spellbinders November Small Die of the Month came in great handy. I didn't get a chance to use this for Christmas, ran out of time, but I thought I would definitely be able to use it with this deer. I could use this deer somewhere. Anyway, it has different sentiments and the words are all separate. So it has Merry Christmas, separate word, Happy New Year, and Bright, which you could do Merry and Bright, or because it has an ampersand as well. So anyway, I was able to use the Happy New Year in this and I was super excited. And then I also used these, they're square dotted mats. And so I got those from CC Designs on clearance. And then, of course, my favorite matte dies ever. I use these as much as I can because they're just like perfect for everything I do. And that's the cat scrappiness. Okay, so here are my cards. This is the Bauble Fun. And this one and the other one looks exactly the same. So what I did to kind of make it look less Christmassy is to use some colors that are not really Christmas and use sort of New Year's. To me, what New Year's is usually what, black and gold, silver and blue. So that's what I used here is kind of this silver kind of cardstock that I got from Tuesday Morning. And then I used this silver mirrored cardstock from Tonic. And I think it came out really cute. So in this one, I just matted twice. So I matted two different sizes of the cat scrappiness. And then inside, I'm going to put a current picture. So these two are pretty much the same. And that's how they look. So if you are like me and you forgot to send some Christmas cards or you just ran out of time, then maybe you want to think about pulling out your stuff and doing a New Year's card or doing a winter card and sending that. And then these two are slightly different. This is the Peace and Joy. And the papers that I'm using for the last card and for these ones as well is something, I believe I got it from, did I get it from Tuesday Morning? I might not have gotten this from Tuesday Morning. This might have been one from last year, A Perfect Winter. I can't remember if I got it last year or this year, but A Perfect Winter by Lori Whitlock is the one I'm using. And so here I just matted the one with the snowflakes on it just because I really liked the dark blue. And then same thing, the mirrored cardstock for Happy New Year. And then I have it matted on this sort of silvered kind of gray cardstock. It's like a shimmer cardstock frame. Okay, so there's that one. And then this one, I kind of did it the opposite. So I cut the stamped image out of the square dies. And then the scrap from this paper I was able to fit here at the bottom, and then I just did my Happy New Year in the mirrored cardstock there at the bottom. And so now I'm just going to go to my computer and print out my picture. So what I do for my picture is I go to PicMonkey, which is PicMonkey.com, and a lot of their stuff is free. I have the one that's not free, so I can't tell you exactly if what I'm going to do is free or not. But I import my picture, so just a picture that I took on my phone. Actually, it's a picture my sister took and sent it to me, that I'm going to upload into PicMonkey, and then I'm going to use a feature where I can put text on it, the picture. So I'll put it some sort of a sentiment, wishing you love and happiness, or health and happiness, or something, and joy and prosperity, or something in the new year. Love us, and then I'll print it out, and then I'll just adhere it inside my card. That way I don't have to stamp anything or write anything. It'll be all written on the picture. And then I'm gonna write my address on the envelope, and I'm gonna put it out to be mailed tomorrow before I leave my trip. So anyway, that's my plan. Thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy, Create the Heart.